Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another interesting video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to build an entire website with AI, right? So if you're new to my YouTube channel, please make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video and share so other people can benefit from this video you're about to watch. So in order to build your website with AI, you need an AI tool like ChatGPT, right? So I'm just going to head over to chatgpt.com and hit enter. So as soon as you visit ChatGPT, you should have an interface like this, right? The first thing we're going to do is to head over to this search, right, and put in a prompt. We have the prompt which we're going to be using to generate the code for our website. So I'm asking ChatGPT to build a website for Alloy Consulting Agency. Use HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and PHP to achieve this. I need the pages to have home, about us, and contact us section. My brand color is blue. Make sure the website is neat and include all sections in each page, right? So all sections like let's say testimonial whatsoever, we just want it to include every valid section, right? I also said the contact details for my brand is 91. So let's say address, right, and contacts. I have this phone number. The About Us section should talk strongly about the brand. Create a logo and include it. I don't want the website to be scanty, a full page website. So I'm just going to head over to this and click send prompts. So this is where the magic happens. So we have our results. So right here we have the project structure, Alloy Consulting, we have index.php, about.php, contact.php, style.css, sendmail.php, asset logo.png. So right, so as you can see we have this structure, right? So these are the pages that are going to exist, right? So as you can see we have the index.php and we have the full code, Alloy Consulting Agency, the nav bar that carries all the menu. Right here we have a section for about us, our services, right? Very neat. And right here we have why choose Alloy, right, and so on. So the next thing we have here is the about us page, about us, Alloy Consulting, right, Alloy Consulting, and so on. So I'm just going to scroll down. Right here we have the contact.php, right, contact us, Alloy Consulting, and we have a full details, right? We also have a section whereby we have get in touch, full name, email address, message. Right here we have contact information, right, business name, address, phone, email, right here we have business hours, right? This is super great. We have the sendmail.php, right, name, right, email, message, right? So this will definitely handle the contact section, whereby when a form is submitted, right, a mail will be automatically sent. Thank you, your message has been received successfully. So right here we have the style.css, which properly handles the back end, right, as you can see. And right here we have simple logo design. Even give you a step-by-step guide on how to run this website. It says install XAMPP or WAMP, right? Move the project folder into the htdocs folder. Start your Apache, right? Open your browser, right? Visit this, right? So this is if you are hosting your website, right, on a local server, right? Since we have some PHP codes here, so your website might have some functionality lacking. All right, so since we have the result, right, from our prompt and we have our code, right, so the next thing we are going to do is to upload our project, right, on our cPanel, right? So this is our online server. Right here I'm not doing the offline server. So the instructions that was sent is if you are hosting your website, right, on your local server. So I'm going to show you how to launch your website direct using this exact same code in the results, right? So I'm just going to head over to my cPanel, right? The first thing I'm going to do is to locate the search and then type domain, right? I'm just going to click on this search results, right? Right, then I'm going to come over to create a new domain, right? So under the create a new domain, I'm just going to say alloy, right, dots. I'm going to use this primary domain, right, as the basic URL, right, and then hit submit. So as you can see right here, we have your successfully created the new subdomain, right? So it has been created successfully. So the next thing I'm going to do is locate my cPanel icon, right? Scroll down to File Manager, right, and hit enter. Right, so the next thing I'm going to locate is the subdomain which I just created, which is this, right, and then we have an empty directory, right? So we're going to take it one at a time, right? So then the first thing we are going to do is to create each and every of these directory, right? This is the project structure that ChatGPT gives to us. So we have the index.php. I'm just going to go ahead and copy this, Control C, right, and then come right here and then click File, right? Then I'm going to click I'm going to paste what I copy and click Create New, right? The next thing I'm going to locate, right, is the about.php, right? I'm going to copy and come right here, click on File, paste, and hit Enter, right? The next thing I'm going to do right here is come right here, contact.php. I'm just going to copy, right, and then come right here, click on File, click on this, and click Enter, right? So I'm just going to locate the style.css. I'm going to go ahead and copy this and then come right here, come to File, hit Enter, right? So I've created this about contact index style, right? I'm going to also locate the sendmail.php copy, right? I'm going to come over to File, right, and then I'm going to hit Enter, right? So I'm going to also come right here. We have assets, then logo.png, right? I'm going to come over to folder, then create a folder called assets, right? Then under this folder, I'm going to open the folder and create okay, I don't need to create anything here. So this is where the logo will be sitting, right? So I'm going to come right to each and every of the code, right? I'm going to come over to this index.php and then copy the entire code for index.php. Once you copy the index.php code, right, head over to your cPanel, right, come over to your index, right click and click edit, then click edit again. So you should have an interface, right, that will allow you to be able to paste your code, which I'll just go ahead and paste and hit save, right? So I successfully saved my index.php, right, for my project. Then I'll head over to about us section, right, then I'll go ahead and copy all this, right, come right to your project, right, to your project folder, then come right to right click, then you click on edit, right? So once you click on edit, then hit the edit again. You should have an empty file. I'm just going to go ahead and paste the about.php, then I'll save, right? So the next one we're going to do is to go ahead and copy the contacts.php, right, and then paste. Come right here also, then locate contact.php, which is this, copy and also paste. I'll come right here to the contact.php, right click, click edit and hit edit, right? And the next thing I'm going to do is to paste my code. So I'm just going to go ahead and then click on save changes and we're done. So the next folder I'm going to go ahead and edit, right, is the sendmail.php. I'm going to right click, click edit and hit edit, right? Come over to my results, right, scroll down and then copy this entire code, right, and then come right to the sendmail file and then paste, right? So I'm going to click on save changes. So the next thing we are going to copy and paste now is the style.css, right? I'm also going to come to our result page, scroll down and then copy the entire style.css, right, and then come over to my project file, then right click, click edit and go ahead and edit, right? And then I'm going to paste the entire style.css code right here. So this is our CSS code for our project. I'm just going to click on save changes. So the next thing I want us to do is to set up a logo for our website, right? So I'm just going to come over to this same prompt, right? Give it a prompt like this, right? Simple logo design, create a PNG logo using this concept, right? Build, right? And then I'm just going to hit this results button. So the logo has been created. I'll just go ahead and then download, right? So after downloading the logo, I'll head over to our project file right here. I'm going to come over here, come over to assets, right? Then come right here to upload, right? I'm going to click select file, then to upload the image we just downloaded, and then I'm going to hit enter. Right, so I have the logo uploaded successfully. I'm just going to come right here and then right click on rename, and then name it as logo.png, right? Then I'll hit enter, right? So the logo.png has been successfully uploaded. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and use this link to visit our website. So this is where the magic plays out. I'll come over to a new tab, hit enter, and then I will just go ahead and remove this, right, and hit enter, right? So it says, okay, I'll just go ahead and slide changes, right, to the index.php, right? So I'll locate the index.php, right, and click on this, right click and click edit, right? I'll come right here and then edit again, and then I'll remove all this, and then I'm going to save changes, right, and then I'll refresh again, right? So we have our project successfully loaded, right? So very clean, simple, right? And with this, you can charge your customer as much as possible, right? So we have the about us section. Once I click on it, as you can see, the about us section also looks clean, right? And we also have the contact us section, which also look very clean. So guys, this is how to set up an entire website, right, with ChatGPT, right? So if you know you want to learn website creation the right way, right, and you're tired of guesswork, right, you're looking for a mentor that can guide you through, right, kindly check the description of this video, right? You will see a WhatsApp contact you can reach out to, right, and also all available medium you can reach out to me, right? So use those medium and send me a message, let's talk, right? And also in my previous video, right, I unleash some marketing tips, right, on how to run Facebook ad, how to run Google ads, and so on, right? So if you want to take your digital marketing skill, right, your digital marketing or your business to the next level, right, send me a message, let's talk. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video, and share so other people can benefit from this video you just watched. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now.